It is, of course, a victory for the combined opposition over the jaded, worn-out politics of Fianna Fáil and Fine Gael. I said some time ago I spoke of a game changer. I think, ladies and gentlemen, the game changed, and it is now going to be our job in active frontline politics to build on the momentum, the hope, the energy that this campaign has generated. I think that Catherine showed her mettle, but also her grace, and all of the qualities that are required to be a fine Uachtaráin na hÉireann, and she now, as we await confirmation of her election, I am conscious that as and when she becomes Uachtaráin na hÉireann, she is Uachtaráin the Cóch, in other words, a president for everybody, and I know that she will carry in her heart and in her head and in her duty a sense of every citizen of Ireland, wherever they are, wherever they live, north and south, east and west, and indeed overseas. I think that's important because I am conscious that there is a section of our people who don't believe that they were heard or included or acknowledged in the course of this election campaign. And I want to say very directly to them that we wish to recognise that and to say that we will hear you, engage with you. We don't ever want any Irish citizen, wherever they are, to feel excluded or in any way undermined in any Irish democratic contest.